guys, we're here. I'm back with the Beamer. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Figured I'd get it out, take for a little ride. Hasn't been driven too much, especially at lower RPM. So still trying to sort the tune out. I still need new clutch master cylinder, but finally got new camera set up. Put the window up a little bit. So hopefully you can hear me halfway decently. But damn. Finally got a new camera set up a little bit. Front facing or me facing, and then forward facing with the GoPro. So I just kind of wanted to try it out. Patch up my trans tunnel yet. Gotta do that here soon. Finally got my welder up and running right, so I plan to do that. I want to do something different with my steering shaft because it lines up just a little bit. I don't like the way it feels. I don't know. Just odds and ends, really trying to dial in the car. I really want to make it out to an event sometime soon. But I don't know, we'll see what happens if I make it out this year or not. Also, I think this is the first time that my face is actually going to be in a video, which is kind of rather exciting. Probably not for you guys, but for me, I think it is. Good. Woo. My drive shaft still rubs my exhaust when the suspension goes down a little bit. It still hits. So you'll hear that a little bit. I still got clearance for that. I think it sounds horrible, but I know it's nothing too important, so I'm alright with it. Just gonna keep running. Temps finally hitting 200. Probably kick my fans on. I hate driving the dirt roads because that drive shaft hitting the exhaust, but I just need to get a pipe bender and order some pipe and just redo the exhaust. Probably won't happen for a while, but it'll clearance until it rubs a hole through and be a little bit louder. Definitely need to adjust my damn, this road is terrible. I need to adjust the target AFRs. Right now it's running fairly rich, but you're breaking up. For whatever reason, it just sometimes it'll just break up like crazy. And I'm quarter throttle and it just wants to die. But it's ran good for this whole time. And then it just hauls ass if I get on it, like it's nothing. I don't understand it. I got an intake on the way for it, cold air intake, so I can actually get my intake air temp sensor plumbed in correctly, so it'll actually read hopefully good data. And I'm not sucking up dirt on this dirt road, but it is what it is. She slides pretty good after getting the alignment eyeballed and my tie rod ends and all that fun jazz that was in the last video. It actually handles fairly decent. I would like to get it a little bit better. I know I need a lower control arm, ball joint shot in it, but I don't know. So do a little pull here if I can get it in a second. Gotta pump up the clutch. There we go. It moves pretty good for the Vitex self-controlled tune. I think I'm only running a single O2 sensor. You can do that on the Vitex unit. It's not really recommended, so I need to get another O2 on the way and wire it in. I should do that soon. Let's see what our temp's at. 197. We're cruising. We're doing good. Coming, I might try and do a little cookie down here at the bottom. We'll see. I don't want to go cause too much trouble. This road's really washed out. Super excited that I actually get to play around on camera, or with a good, I wouldn't say good, but halfway decent camera setup going on. Because this is stuff I've been doing. Like, I'd do this and I'd run into a little issue here or there and have to fix something, and none of it was ever recorded. I feel like now I might be able to step up my recording just a smidge, hopefully produce some relatively enjoyable content. Diff being welded, you know, you can feel every last little thing. When I get it turned, the ass end's just hopping. I know we're on dirt, but she gets it. It's been running really good, so super stoked about that. 199 pulling time, chilling. I need my hat. Hopefully you can still hear. Hopefully you've been able to hear this whole time. I'm not just talking to myself. I am talking to myself, but pull this window down. gears for the most part. My clutch really doesn't fully disengage. I'm ordering a Wilwood 7/8 master cylinder here soon. They're like 200 bucks. So I've been holding off, getting some other stuff finished up. Well, I wouldn't say save up because I haven't been doing that either, but until I decide to pull the trigger on it. But I ended up buying the GoPro for a little bit more than I could have bought that for, and the car could be driving better. I don't know. It is what it is. There's so many things I gotta buy. But girlfriend and I took the car to town today, and it ran good then, so I was pretty happy. Still 197. I've been driving 10 minutes, which isn't the best, but it's not bad. I've been playing with it, so. But yeah, once I get the master cylinder, hopefully my clutch fully disengages like it's nothing. Clutch slipped. My bad. Hell yeah, that was fun. Well, I guess that'll end this one. I'm pulling here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll probably throw that little clip in at the very beginning. Hopefully the GoPro is recording better than I hope it is. I don't know, I had an issue the other day. It was all green and purple, so hopefully we don't have that issue. But I still need a lockout. I need to wire up my lockout for reverse. So I have to shut the car off to get it in reverse. But it's running wrench on startup. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.